Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
All right, now that we've explored multi-agent systems, let us dive into something very practical: how AI agents can be integrated with automation platforms like n8n. Even if you're not a coder, understanding this conceptually will give you a clear picture of how AI agents can perform real-world tasks automatically. So first, what is n8n? n8n is an automation platform that lets you connect apps, services, and workflows together. Think of it as the glue that allows AI agents to interact with the real world, sending emails, updating spreadsheets, posting to Slack, or even triggering API calls. When integrating an AI agent with n8n, the first step is defining the goal of automation. What task do you want the agent to accomplish using n8n? For example, maybe you want an agent to monitor your inbox for client requests, summarize them, and create tasks in your project management tool. Defining this goal clearly ensures the agent knows what problem it's solving. Next, we think about breaking the process into steps. In our example, the agent first checks the email, then identifies priority messages, then summarizes key points, and finally creates tasks in the right tool. Conceptually, you map out this workflow so the agent knows the sequence of actions and dependencies between tasks. After that, we consider the tools and integrations. n8n acts as the central hub. The agent doesn't need to understand the technical details of each app. It just needs to know which integrations to trigger and when. For instance, an email node in n8n fetches messages, a GPT node summarizes the content, and a task management node creates a new task. Even at a conceptual level, this mapping of tools and actions is key. Another important aspect is memory and context. The agent should remember which emails have already been processed and which tasks have already been created. Without this, the system could duplicate actions or miss critical updates. Conceptually, designing this memory flow ensures smooth and reliable automation. Decision-making is next. What should the agent do if something unexpected happens, like a new type of email or a missing field in a form? Planning reasoning rules allows the agent to handle these edge cases intelligently. Even if it can't fully solve the problem on its own, it can flag it for human review or choose the best alternative action. Finally, feedback and improvement loops are considered. Monitoring results and adjusting workflows ensures the agent improves over time. Maybe the agent notices patterns in emails or optimizes task creation sequences. Conceptually, thinking about feedback ensures the agent's behavior becomes more efficient and reliable. So, when all these pieces are combined, goal, workflow steps, integrations, memory, decision-making, and feedback, the AI agent can autonomously manage complex tasks in n8n. Even without coding, you can visualize the agent acting like a digital assistant, connecting systems, performing actions, and continuously improving its workflow. In short, integrating AI agents with automation platforms like n8n is about creating a conceptual workflow where the agent knows what to do, which tools to use, how to remember, how to reason, and how to adapt. It's the bridge between intelligent reasoning and real-world action. That's it for today's session on integrating AI agents with automation platforms. If this helped you understand AI-driven automation, hit like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, should I cover monitoring and managing multiple AI agents in production next, or creating autonomous workflows for businesses?
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learn-it-guide.net.